In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redirect a domain name on Spaceship domains. So if you've bought a domain name on here, once you're logged in, you'll be able to access it by going to all products, then domains, then domain manager. And what we can do from here is we can go to the list of our domains and click on the one that we want to redirect. We can then go to URL redirect, and from here you can choose if you want to redirect 302 temporary or 301 permanent. So by doing 301, it will update search results, I believe, and impact SEO. But if it's just a temporary redirect, you can use this one. I'm going to use 301. We'll just redirect the domain to Google. So enter in the redirect URL here, then click on save. So now that has gone through, everything should be good. It could take a while to update, but let's go ahead and see. So we'll paste in our domain and you can see here it redirects to Google. So that was very quick, very easy. That is how you do it.